Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to launch Cloud Code Agent Team to find me a 10K a day product to sell. So here's the problem. If you are an e-commerce business and you want to find a product to sell, you'll know how difficult it is to go and find a good product to sell. So you have to go to Meta Ad Library, scroll for days, or you have to use paid tools like GetHook, TrendTrack, scrape from them the best product to sell, the trending product. But in today's video, I'm going to just launch 5 Cloud Code Agent Team, go and find best product to sell. They debate each other, and they only going to report back to me the best product they found. They all agreed on. So they are all the best e-commerce operator, and they all going to find one product, and they are going to debate which product is the best. So after they found the product, they're going to do a research, market research, avatar research, and competitor research, and then the other is going to build a product page with copy and creative, and then the other is going to build the advertorial page to send traffic to. So my name is Mahmoud Hussein. I help e-commerce operators to automate a Shopify store by building their e-com operating system. So the e-commerce operating system looks something like this. You have a folder on your laptop with all your store contexts in, all the tools you are using to operate your store, like Higgsfield, Klaviyo, Meta, TrendTrack, GetHook, Amazon reviews, Reddit, etc., etc., and then building these skills: researcher, copywriter, product page, advertorial builder, creative creator, email marketing, etc. These are all the skills I have in my Rapio e-commerce operating system. I will leave this in my free school community. I will leave the link below. So if you want to automate your Shopify store just like this one and build a complete operating system from product research to meta ad campaign to content distribution, come to Mizan AI. Come to Mizan AI and chat with my AI agent. Her name is Noor, and she will book you a call with me. It's a completely free call. I'm going to map out how AI can be deployed into your business or into your store, and I will build and deploy this. And if it didn't increase your ROAS by 5x, I'm going to walk away and you will keep the setup. So if that sound, come to Mizan AI and book a call. So let's get back to the video. So as I said, I'm going to launch a bunch of agent team, find the product, list the product in my store, and then build the creative and copy and advertorial page. So in the last couple of videos, I talked about sub-agent and how to create sub-agent with Claude. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about agent team and what the difference between sub-agent and agent team. So here's the difference between sub-agent and agent team. So both agent team and sub-agent let you parallelize your work, meaning you could work in parallel. For example, we want to find two products at the same time. But sub-agent don't talk to each other. An agent team talk to each other. Sub-agent only report back to you. An agent team, they report to the agent leader. So they have a leader and they report back to the leader, and the leader report back to you. So the sub-agent, if you launch a bunch of sub-agent, they work directly into their own context and they will never talk to each other. So the best thing about agent team is they talk to each other, they debate each other. Which one result is the best? So in case of finding a best product to sell, if they are speaking to each other and they debate, hey, that product margin is not as good as this, hey, that product costs more than this, hey, that supplier for this product is not good as this one. So they speak to each other and they know what best product to sell, and after that they're going to build a product page and the copy and the creative all from the prior research they have done, and the advertorial page as well. So this is the difference between sub-agent and agent team. So agent teams, they interact with each other, they debate each other, and they report back to the main leader. And sub-agent, they don't interact with each other, and they only report back to the main agent, and the main agent is also reporting back to you. So here's the architecture, how it looks like. So you have the main agent of the main leader. So this is the main Claude session where you spawn the agent team coordinating work. So, and these are the sub-agent of the agent team. So this is a teammate, and this is a teammate, and this another teammate, and they all speak with each other. As you can see, the arrow is going back and forth with each other. So the teammate separate Claude Code, interact with each other, assign tasks, and each one of them has one specific task. So we have team leader, this one, this guy at the top here, and then we have teammate. These all are the teammate, and as you can see, they have arrow where they interact with each other or talk to each other. And then we have task lists. Each one of them has one specific task, and they also speak to each other. And then they have mailboxes. How they communicate with each other, they have mailboxes, just like real human use emails. They have mailboxes, but just that work under the hood. You don't know where it is, just inside Claude Code. So let me just stop yapping and actually go to my Claude Lab and give it the prompt and walk away, and I come back to ready product page and ready advertorial page to sell. So this is my Claude Code, and I ask it, hey, give me a prompt to launch a sub agent. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and don't worry about this scary looking interface. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use normal Claude Code desktop app. So this is my Claude desktop app, and make sure to go to my free school community, get your free e-commerce operating system. It's just a folder, and then make sure also to go to customize and then connect this and connect all these tools I'm about to show you. First of all, connect the get hooked. This is where you get the product, and then also connect your Shopify store. My Shopify store is connected. And then if you are creating your creative with Higgsfield, also connect Higgsfield. Or if you are creating your creative with Nano Banana, make sure to get the API of Nano Banana. In this video, I'm going to ask you to use Grok API to create the creative. So we don't need Higgsfield. Just make sure your Shopify store is connected and your Facebook is connected. So this is where it's going to find a product. So I'm going to continue with my store. Make sure it's your account, and then continue. All businesses opt in all, and yeah, save, and voila, my Shopify or my Meta is connected. So now my agent is going to go to Meta ad library to search the products, and then after they found the product, they will list the product in my Shopify store, and they create the product page and the advertorial page and the creative from Grok. So let me just open this folder with my laptop with my agent and then ask it. So that's my Rappi operating system, and I will give it this prompt. So the prompt is like this: find one product and take it live on Rappi. You have my full authorization. Do not stop. Do not ask me anything. Do not come back until the product page and the advertorial page are live in the store. So I said specifically, spawn 5 agent team, demand, creative, margin, saturation, and devil. The devil is the only job is going to kill the product that they didn't agree on. And then the prompt is very long, so I have many skills here. The skill 1 is product team, and for Grok is going to, for creative is going to use Grok. So all of this inside this folder. If you get this e-commerce operating system from my school community, you will get all of this. So I'm just going to click enter and make sure your model is Fable Opus 5 or Fable 5, and then the effort, make sure also to make it high or max. If you are on a max plan, make it high. If you are on a pro plan, I don't know, make it also in the middle. So let's just wait and see. Our agent will come back in just a minute. At that time, I'm going to walk away and I will come back to just ready to review everything. All right, I think my agent have done. So it went back and forth. I don't know how long it take, but as you can see, there's a lot of work here. So it gave me a link back here. First of all, it gave me the link of the research have done it and save that into Notion. So this is the research page. When I go to this page, I will see the research all saved here in clean toggles like this. I have my avatar research. So who buys, my avatar research, the triggers, everything about my avatar I need to know, how to write my copy and how to write my ad, the objections, the visual world, everything about my avatar I'm selling to. And then also the market intelligence. This is where it's going to look about the market of this product. And then the competitor analysis is going to look at the other competitors and tell me how we are going to position ourselves. So I'm not sure which product our agent have picked for us, but we are going to see. As I said, hey, Harry, launch sub-driven agent for each task. I prompt him to hurry up because it was taking time. As you can see, it went and create images. Look like strips. I don't know, it's like teeth whitening strip. First of all, these were the product where they were debated on. So for product, in chair dental whitening, take home tray, for dentists, National Median. So these were the product they debated, and they pick one of them, and they want and create the images, the product page. So and it gave me both the URL. This is the product page URL. Let me just go to the product page and see. Oh my goodness, look at this. With one simple prompt, I said, hey, go and find me a product. Go and do a debate, launch a sub-driven agent, find a product, write a copy, create the creative, and look at this. From one prompt, a product found, a product page built, a copy is being written. All these images were created with Grok API, so these look like native images, look like actual real image. Look at this. The copy, there's a lot of text, but we could improve it or make it a little bit better. We have guarantee here, and then we have bundle. I like this. We have free delivery. Oh my goodness, I like this. Look at this product page. Just think how much it will take you to build this product page by hand, by drag and dropping them section by section. So this is why our product page is being built. And so let's just review our advertorial page. So this was the advertorial page. Oh my fucking goodness, look at this. The sensitivity trap. The advertorial page looked perfectly aligned. Look at the padding at this at the left and the padding at the right. And the first image showing coffee and wine that make our teeth, I don't know, yellow or blue. And then we have another image, a woman in front of a mirror. Okay. So look pretty damn good. I'm not going to read all of this. It seemed like it formed a very good story, you know. From first look like a native or like a advertorial or like an article, not selling any product, to funneling them down. Look at the image. I'm just looking at the images, funneling it down till go to the doctor. I don't know what this place is, like hospital, and then it's showing our product at the last. So this is pretty damn good, and we have a call to action here. The one thing I could change about this is just make this call to action static here. Like when I move up or down, should always be here, like this or one or this one. Yes. And we have also reviews here. So these all reviews are like a, not actual reviews, but plain HTML. Actually, AI write them. Oh, scrape them from Amazon. So this is how to launch sub-driven agent team to go and find your product, debate to each other, and then they save research, the product page. This research is a very depth. As you can see, we have copy, we have avatar sheet, we have offer architecture, we have campaign spine, we have social proof. As I said, social proof is the reviews that take them from here and then wrote them down in that product advertorial page. So and then we have ad library. Everything is clean and set up. So yeah, thank you for watching. And if you want to deploy this AI automation into your e-commerce business, as I said earlier, just come to Mizan AI. This is my website, and this is my AI assistant. Her name is Noor. Just talk to her, and she's going to book you a call with me. So yeah, thank you for watching, and peace.